And most importantly, it's for the innovators. It's for those people who are curious and they want to do more, who sometimes find themselves stuck because any tool, if you found yourself asking yourself, you've got these tools, but all you're producing out of them are graphics. You know, my dad told me very young, any tool is useful if you know how to use it. So you know how to harness a tool, any tool is useful. So a lot of people are dabbling in AI and they're producing comical things. How many people are using it to really transform their lives? Very few. So this talks at those people who are at the precipice of asking themselves, okay, why is it I can't maintain momentum with all these tools? What is it that I want to create in life? You know, so it deals with the human aspects of technology. As an engineer by background, you know, it's probably the most humane way of approaching technology, starting with who you are. So if anyone is at that point where they're trying to figure this space out, it may be pending redundancies at work, and you're thinking, oh my God, what do I do now? I've got this tool, what next? This book starts with you.